Enrolling your child in daycare is nerve-wracking enough. You want to ensure that they have good teachers, curriculum, and care while you're at work. And sometimes when looking into those other details, it's easy to miss one of the most important aspects about a safe daycare: security. Initially, security may seem obvious. Of course a daycare should have good security, but what procedures are actually in place to protect the children? And to what extent are the staff actually following those procedures? When it comes to daycare security, we encourage parents to look for some of the following things: locks on doors and windows in the daycare. This will ensure that kids stay in the building and can't wander out unattended. A buzzer to allow people in and out of the building. This prevents unauthorized people from walking in or out and keep the staff aware when there are visitors. A system to verify the identity and authority of people picking up children. This is to prevent a child from being picked up by someone who might pose danger to them. And security cameras that have live feed and recording capabilities to keep an eye on the facility and provide evidence in the case of an incident. Another question for parents to consider is, do the caregivers seem like they take security seriously? See if they check your ID when you or a family member goes to pick up your child. If they don't, you as a parent must look into it. If they're cutting corners with pickup, they're likely cutting corners in other places too. Our firm offers parents a free 10-step guide in selecting a safe daycare for your child. You can access the guide in the link below. We provide these tips as a resource for parents to make sure they're choosing the safest daycare for their child. If your child was harmed because the daycare didn't have the right security measures in place, you may need to pursue a legal claim to get the answers on how the daycare let this happen. Contact our firm today to get started on getting the answers you deserve.